Well, I'm Kelsey, and I came to Dr. Kaiser about a year ago, and I had always been unhappy with my breasts, and after a significant amount of weight loss, I decided to reward myself with an augmentation. I did a lot of research of doctors in the area, and Dr. Kaiser was the one that stood out the most to me. I appreciated that he knew how to deal with special cases. I appreciated that, you know, from what I could see in all his before and after pictures and testimonials, it seemed like he really took the time to care and tailor each procedure to what would be best for the individual. Because when I was researching, I saw that a lot of doctors kind of looked assembly line to me, and that's the last thing I wanted. I wanted someone who I knew would take care of me. And I came in for a consultation. I was so nervous. I couldn't believe that I was here. And the staff really put me at ease as soon as I walked in the door. Everyone that works here is amazing. I had probably 10 million questions for Dr. Kaiser, and he was so patient the whole time and answered every single question I had, no matter how big or small. And I knew right then and there that he was the perfect doctor, and I immediately signed on the dotted line. And not too long after that, I went and I had a lift and implants, and I was very, very happy with it. A little bit later on in time, I decided I wanted to go a little fuller in my breasts. So I came back in, I told him what I was thinking, and he didn't, question it. He didn't make me feel like, you want a second surgery, nothing like that. He looked and he was considering it, and he said, you know what, I think this would be a good choice for you, and, signed on the dotted line again. And not too long after that, went back in, and I could not be happier. I can't even believe how amazing they look. It's unbelievable, the amount of confidence it's given me. I'm just so happy. I would honestly recommend Dr. Kaiser to anyone looking for any procedure. He's an artist. He's really, really good at what he does.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
It's the truth.
Well, I appreciate that.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we now have silicone gel implants.
Yes.
And you are 6 weeks out. Mm-hmm. And your original cup size when you came here was?
Lopsided.
Okay, you were different, weren't you?
Yes, because of the weight loss. It's one of the cruel jokes that no one tells you about losing a significant amount of weight. Half the time they'll give up on you. So I was, just not even, not proportional, and it wasn't flattering. I was very unhappy with them, and now I have I think it's 425 and 475.
Correct.
And I absolutely love them. They're incredible.
Okay, what cup size are you now?
I am now a triple D, which sounds bigger than it actually feels on me, because I still am curvy and I'm very tall, so it still looks proportional. And I'm so glad I did go with the second surgery. I only went 100 cc's bigger in each breast, and I just feel like it gives me more of the round, full look that I really wanted, and I'm so happy.
Beautiful. Well, we know at the first procedure your breast envelope was actually kind of tight.
Yes.
So there was some restriction with the amount of volume that we could place without really trying to create a deformity. And so the time that you had to go from the first to the second procedure actually allowed some expansion or stretching of your breast to occur, which made it that much better, I think, for the second procedure. So we were able to really kind of tailor and fine-tune your results.
Absolutely.
So I know it was a second procedure, but I think it was actually in the long run better to do that.
I completely agree. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I want to thank you for sharing. You are beautiful.
Oh my gosh,
I'm so glad you're here, and I'm so glad you're part of our practice. And
got a patient for life.
All right, sweetie. Well, thank you for being with us.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.